Hello everyone, today's video is going to be a Louis Vuitton unboxing gone wrong video. I have a Pochette FÉLICIE in here and I have been looking for this bag for such a long time. So even before the price increases happened. So price increases happened on October 1st and I had been looking for this bag even like at least a month or a month and a half before that. So it's been a long time since I had been looking for it. It came in just a couple of days ago and the condition of this bag is, I mean, it shocked me and it made me question so many things. I mean, I had been looking for this bag forever and just the condition of this bag makes me really sad. So I'm definitely going to be returning this, but I still want to make this video because I feel like the condition that this bag is in is very common, especially when it comes to Pochette FÉLICIE. So I guess I want to show you kind of the condition of this bag and just make you aware that if you ever decide to purchase this bag or if you have an interest in getting this bag, then definitely look for the kind of things that I'm going to talk about today, just so that you know what kind of condition the bag is in, if that makes sense. So before I say anything, I just want to first unbox this bag and show it to you. And this is not a true unboxing. I obviously saw the bag, but I kind of tucked the bag in exactly how it came just to kind of, you know, unbox it again with you guys. So this is how it came. It was nicely patched and the ribbons were really nice, thank God. And I'm just gonna open it and show you. So one of the things I also want to mention is that this box is really heavy. So when I got it and when I was like taking it out of the box, I was just like, wow, it's like, it feels like there's rocks in here. That's how heavy it is, especially considering how tiny the bag is. So here it is. It's kind of tight in there. Wow. I don't want to break the box. Wow, it is actually really, really tight. Okay. So here is it, and this is the bag. So there it is. This is the FÉLICIE Pochette that I ordered. Now right off the bat you probably think, oh, it doesn't look that bad, it looks good. However, there's a few things that I want to say. If I bring this up closely and if you want to pay attention to the sides here, see how the sides really curl up. There it is. See, when you bring it up close, the sides here, they really curl up. And it is really not supposed to be like that. The sides are not supposed to be curling up. They're supposed to be really straight. If I show you the side, you'll really see how the sides are like just curling up. And then here is the other side, so it's very similar. And then one of the other things that's really weird with this bag is there's a dent in the canvas right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna try a few different angles so you guys can see. But there is a dent right over here in the canvas, and it just looks very weird. And a lot of the times I assume that if there's a dent in the canvas, when you stuff it up, the dents come out. But for this bag, even if you have stuff inside the bag, the dent doesn't come out. It stays that way. And when you put your items in, these flaps, they curl up even more. So it makes the bag look really, really ugly. And I hate to use that word because I feel like, in my opinion, all bags are beautiful and I love handbags, you guys know that. But this one is just one of those bags that looks really ugly stuffed up. And I'm going to show you guys inside. The inside is nice. I mean, there's no other issues at all. It's a brand new bag. And I say that because I'm going to show you these straps. So the straps still have plastics and stuff attached to it. See? Like the straps still have plastics attached to it, so no one even like attached this to the bag and tried it on. I know that because like literally where you attach these clasps onto the bag is covered with plastic. So if you want to try this bag on, you really have to remove the plastic. There's no other way. So I know that nobody ever even tried this bag on, but the fact that this bag even passed the quality control just really surprises me. It's beyond me, really. And then I forgot to show you guys, but the bag does come with 2 inserts just like that. There's nothing wrong with the inserts. I'll bring it up close so you guys can see. So this is the card holder that comes with it. There's 8 card slots, and then there's top section, nothing in the back. And then here is the pouch that comes with the bag. That's how it is on the inside. And then I'll quickly show you the inside of this bag. So it's nice and clean. There's no other like issues. There's no other stains or anything. I know it's a brand new bag because, like I said, the straps, the chain straps still have plastic attached to it, but it just surprises me how curled up these these flaps are. And yeah, it just surprises me. And then here is the back of the bag, and I don't know if you can see, but there is a little, like not a dent, but there is a little indentation over here. So I don't know if it is just because the bag is empty or it's just how the canvas is. But basically, I just want to come on here and show this to you guys because, I don't know, this is not the way the bag should be. It's, I don't know, like right off the bat, when I see it curled up, I know that there's something wrong with it. So if you are looking to get Pochette FÉLICIE, if you're looking to add a Pochette FÉLICIE into your collection, then you definitely want to make sure that you watch out for these curled flaps because that's not how it is supposed to be. But yeah, that's really it. That really does it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I mean, at least I hope you guys found it informative. I'm not going to put my stuff into it and show you how much it fits or anything like that because I'm going to be returning it and I don't want to play around with the bag too much. I want to keep it in a good condition. And the same thing with the strap. I have not really tried on this bag to see how it fits on me just because there's a plastic at the end of the strap and I don't want to remove it because, like I said, I'm going to be returning it, so there's no point. And I want to return it in the same condition that it came to me. So I'm not going to give you any mod shots, but hopefully you guys found this video informative. If you have any other questions, then definitely leave it for me in the comment box down below. I'll see you guys now in my next video very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.